Hi, my name's Adam, and I'm one of the developers here at WIOpro. In this video today, I'd like to walk you through the WIOpro dashboard in under 3 minutes. So let's get started. So once logged in, you'll arrive at your WIOpro dashboard. As you can see, my account has been active for some time, and I've already added various programs and episodes that I want to track. This is done via the Add and Manage Shows button at the top of the page. I have detailed information on adding your shows in another video you can check out. Your dashboard provides an overview of all the shows you are tracking, along with a variety of both global and program-specific airing metrics. At the top of the dashboard, you will find airing metrics from yesterday through to the past year, as well as your airings for the upcoming week. All of these numbers represent airings for all of your programs and episodes that you are tracking. For example, in the past 7 days, I had 406 airings. This number is made up of the following: 58 Seinfeld airings, 45 Newhart airings, 40 Legally Blonde airings, and so on as we iterate through all of my track programs. An important thing to remember is that these numbers are updated hourly. WIOpro will search for airings across 55 countries each hour for every program or episode that you are tracking, and update all of your metrics accordingly. For example, if one or several of your programs airs at 1:30 p.m., then at 2 p.m. your metrics will include those additional airings and be updated on your dashboard. In the body of your dashboard, you will see all of the programs that you are tracking. Each program is represented by its own card and displays its own individual metrics. For example, I started tracking a handful of episodes of Seinfeld on November 3rd, 2021. You can see that my airings for Seinfeld were updated on January 18th, which is the day I am recording this video, at 12:05 p.m., which for me is about 15 minutes ago. Each program card has a link to its program details page and an airing reports page for this program, both of which I have videos on to provide further information. And lastly, after adding a show you wish to track, it will appear at the bottom of your program list on the dashboard. You can easily change the order of your programs by dragging the program card to the desired position. And remember, if you are having any trouble in any way, we have a contact and live chat button in the lower right corner of the page, a customer service link on the left side of the page, and a variety of help links at the top of the page. Feel free to contact us anytime. Thanks.